Welcome to Maths Online class. Students, in this video, I will be re-explaining the fourth chapter of the mathematics, which is the cubes and cube root. Means this is the revision. This is the first revision of the chapter 4. So in this chapter, you know how to find the cube and you know how to find the cube, perfect cube, and you know how we can find the cube root of any number. So this is a revision. So I will re-explain the each and every topic properly. So first is what is a cube? Cube means if a number power have a 3, so number have a cube. But if a number have power 4 or 5, so that is not a cube. Meaning is suppose that if here is written 5 power 3, so 5 have a cube means 5 have a cube number. But if a number is written like as 3 power 4 or 5, so this is not a cube. This is the not a cube. This is the cube. This is the cube means the cube of a number is the number raised to the power 3. किसी भी नंबर की पावर अगर 3 है तो वो उसका क्यूब होगा उस नंबर का. Like as, so what is a cube? Cube of 5. So what is the cube of 5? So in this type question, so how we can write? Means you know cube means power 3. Cube means, keep in mind, cube means power 3. अगर किसी क्यूब का फाइंड करने के लिए आप उसकी पावर 3 राइट कर दो. ओके, पावर आप 3 राइट कर दोगे तो आप उसकी क्यूब फाइंड कर लोगे. सो इफ द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग व्हाट इज द क्यूब ऑफ 5, so just you write the 5 in this form. Which form? Exponential form. And you know what is the exponential form? Means 5. When we write a number in with the power are in this form, so this is called exponential. In this form, what? With the base and power. So this is the base and this is the power. Base and power. And what is the meaning of this number? Or this exponential form? Meaning is 5 multiplied by how many times? 5 multiplied by 5 will be multiplied by 3 times. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 125. So what is the cube of 5? So cube of 5 will be 125. So this is the cube of 5. And now if the question is saying, so write the cube of 2. So how we can find the cube of 2? So just you write 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3. So and then we expand or we can write according to the exponential form or expanded form. जैसे आप exponential को expand करते हो according to the power, we write according to the power or we multiply the number according to the power. We multiply the number and what is the number here? Cube. Question is saying what is the cube of 2? So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So this is the 8. So 8 will be cube of 2. 8 will be cube of 2. And then another type example, if the question is saying what is the cube of 0.3? 0.3. So what is the cube of 0.3? So cube of 0.3, same number, same process, same rule here we can apply. What? Write the power 3 of 0.3. So 0.3 power raised to 3 means यहां हम 0.3 को भी 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो आपको 0.3 का क्यूब मिल जाएगा. क्यूब मींस किसी भी नंबर की पावर 3 है तो आप उसको क्यूब फाइंड कर सकते हो. 0.3 then 0.3 multiply by 0.3 multiply by 0.3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27. Then write now here 27. Okay, then look here. What is here? Here the decimal places 1, 2, 3. Here the decimal. So how we can write? How we can use decimal? Look here. How many numbers here is there? 3 numbers. So decimal will be used where? After the 3 digit from the right hand side, and you know decimal rule. I understood you know decimal rule. So this is the right hand side 1, 2. But here is the 1 digit is less. So we need the 1 digit. So we can use the 0 and then we can write the 0 decimal and then answer will be 0.027. So 0.027 is a cube of 0.2, 0.3. 0.3. So what is the cube of 0.3? 0.3. So cube of 0.3 will be 0.27. So this is the cube. This is the cube. If the question is asking negative numbers. So what is the cube? Cube of minus 4. What is cube of minus 4? So same rule will be same. What? Just you write the minus 4 raised to the power 3. Minus 4 raised to the power 3 meaning is minus 4 raised to the power 3 means minus 4 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. यहां minus 4 को कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 3 times. Then minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Okay. Then 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Then answer will be 64. 64. And now here is some property of the cube. First is a cube property. First property will be even. Number cube always will be even. Even number cube always you get the even number, and then odd number cube always you get the odd number. Answer as a odd number. And then means negative number cube always you get the negative number. Negative number. Like here, what is here? यहाँ negative number minus 4 है. Question saying what is the cube of minus 4? तो cube of minus 4 क्या होगा? So just you write the cube of minus 4 in the which form? In the this form, exponential form, and then minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, and we get the what? How many minus here is there? 3 minus 1 2 3. 3 is an odd number, so always we get the odd number. Minus plus and plus minus minus, then 64. And even or odd? Even or odd means look here. 2 ले लो. 2 is even number. So what is the cube of 2? You know cube of 2 what? 8. So 8 is the also even number. Means even number of cube even होगा. Odd number 7. So what is the cube of 7? 7 is the odd number. So 7 cube of 3. 7 power 3 is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 ये होगा. फिर 7 7 is 49, and then 49 multiplied by 7. 7 9 is 63. Write 3 and carry 6. 7 4 is 28 plus 6 34. So answer will be 343. This is the odd number. Means odd number cube will be odd number, and even number cube will be even number, and negative number cube will be negative number. So these are a property of the cube. Now perfect cube. So what is a perfect cube? Means which if a number you can multiply by 3 times. What is that? If a number you multiply like as a, so what is the perfect cube of 1? So when we multiply the 1 how many times? 3 times. Then you get the answer. What? 1. So this is the perfect cube of 1. मतलब आप कोई भी number ले लो like as a 6. So what is the perfect cube of 6? So you can multiply by 3 times 6. 6 multiplied by 6, 6 6 are 36. Then 36 6 are 6 6 are 36. Write 6 carry 3. 6 3 are 18 plus 3. So this is the 216. So what is the cube of? So 216 is perfect cube. Perfect cube. This is a perfect cube of 6. Means अगर किसी नंबर को 3 times multiply कर दो तो जो आपका आंसर मिलता है वही आंसर क्या होता है? उस नंबर का परफेक्ट क्यूब होता है. Now next topic is how we can check a numbers in a perfect cube or not in a perfect cube. So कैसे चेक करेंगे हम नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब में है या फिर नहीं है? So we have a method we can check by the prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, and you know what is the prime factor method. You know what is a prime number. Means that number we are only divide by the prime numbers. That number we can only divide by the prime numbers. Suppose that here is given, what is given here? 729. And then question is saying, so that our check this number is in a perfect cube or not in a perfect cube. So we can check by the prime factor. So first we find the prime factor of the 729. Okay, then firstly we find the prime factor of the 729. Then we make the group of 3 like number. We make the group of 3 like number, and then in last we multiply the group numbers. Multiply the group numbers. If you find the all factor in a group, so that number in a perfect cube, or that number is a perfect cube. So 729. So find the prime factor of 729. Find the prime factor of 729. So what is 729? So this is divisible by what? Which number? This is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are, then 3 3s are. Okay. The next one is a 3 8s are, 3 1s are, then 3 27s are, then 3 9s are, then 3 3s are, and then 3 1s are. So look here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So then we write the factor of 729. 3 multiplied by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then second step, we make the group of 3 like number. ग्रुप बनाएंगे हम, लेकिन वो लाइक नंबर्स का, और उस ग्रुप में कितने नंबर्स होने चाहिए? देयर शुड बी 3 नंबर, 3 like number. There should be 3 like number. So first group will be this one, 1 2 3. These are a like number, same number. So we make the first group, and this is a group of 3. Another group, this is a group of 3. And then we take out the number and multiply the numbers. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Means, so 729 is the cube of 9, means 729 is the perfect cube, because 729 have a complete group of number. So this is the perfect cube. You can also check the another example, like as a 64. 64 is a perfect cube or not? Just you find the prime factor of the number 64. 2 32, then 2 16, then 2 8, then 2 4, then 2 2, and then 2 1. And then write the factor of 64. 2, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 4 5 and 6. And then we make the group of like factors, and this is a group of 2, and this is a group of 2. So what is here number? So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So 4, the cube of 64. 64 is the cube of 4. Cube of 4 means 64 is the perfect cube of 4. You can say that 64 is a perfect cube, because 64 have the complete group of number. Complete group of numbers. So this was about in revision. First revision, what? Cube and perfect cube, and how we can check the perfect cube. So once again I will repeat the topic. First cube, what is a cube? Cube, if a number have a power 3, so this is a cube, means that number have a cube. And what is the perfect cube? When we multiply the a numbers 3 times and we get the answer, so that answer will be perfect cube of the given number. And so this is how we can check the perfect cube of a number. Is a perfect cube or not a perfect cube? So we can check by the prime factorization method. So this was all about for today. So today's your homework. Once again you revise and solve the what? Revise and solve the exercise 4. This is your homework. So revise and solve the exercise 4. So students, thank you and take care.